2 a.m. You wake up to production alerts. There's something unexpected happening on the server side. And this is exactly when these 2 Linux commands will save you. Log into the server and find the log files. As this is a bare bones server, you just have the basic tools available. So use find to find all the log files in the server. Search through the log files and see if there's any errors available. You can, for example, use less to go through the files and easily search with a / command. Now you are navigating through the file looking for the first sign of trouble. When something stands out, you don't need to scroll blindly. You can use / command to filter through the noise. When you have found your favorite search term, you can jump between the matches using N or capital N. That's when you start seeing a pattern. The errors begin at a specific point in time, and they all point to the same thing. This isn't a system-wide issue. It's coming from one service, and it's the login service. Now you have a direction. You exit less and open up the service-specific logs. With the same approach again. This file is also long, but now you know what you are looking for. When you move towards the latest logs, you immediately see it. Wait a minute. You have seen the database address before. That's when you remember the change from yesterday. And then you realize something important. You investigated this problem with only 2 Linux commands. Simple but powerful tools and concepts are often overlooked, and sometimes it takes real stories or incidents to see that clearly. My goal with these videos is help developer get closer to the core concepts and make them interesting by showing why they matter, so it's easier to find reason to learn them. If you have watched this far, I honestly want to thank you. My first video got great feedback from you, which really keeps me going. If you have a tool in mind that you have a story about, or you would like me to make a video about, drop a comment below and I might feature it in my next video, like this thoughtful comment from the last one. Until the next time, craftsmanship of code.